Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can set up two-factor authentication on Instagram. It's really easy and let me show you how. So first what you need to do here is you need to install the app that is called Authenticator and you can download this application for free on both iOS and Android devices. So as you can see here, this is how it's called, Google Authenticator. And then the next step, what you need to do here, you need to go on Instagram, and then you need to click on your profile icon that is on the bottom right, and then you need to click on three horizontal lines that is on the top right, and then select settings, and then go on security, and there is an option for you that is called two-factor authentication, and then press get started, and you can select with authentication app that I will do right now, or you can do with text message, but of course you need to put your phone number on your Instagram account. So I will do with the first option, and then what you need to do here is to press next, press add token, and then you will see the number that you need to write, so 519. I will wait another code. And as you can see here, it's 463 5954. All right, press next, and that's pretty much it. That's how you can basically set up a two-factor authenticator on your Instagram account. So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.